We're gonna mix a little bit of blue and white watercolor. That's gonna give us a really, really soft French blue tone. And then we're gonna use our foam head here. It's not on right, I gotta get it on right. There we go. Now the trick is take out most of the watercolor. Maybe a little more blue. Kind of using the top corner, dab off the watercolor, there we go. Now this is such a delicate stencil that you're really gonna want to just barely kiss the surface, barely touching it. Some spots darker. Didn't mix up enough paint. And kind of dabbing in the middle here where I think it might be a little bit more delicate. And also that dabbing kind of gives you what we call stippling, which is a little bit of a less perfect look. I think this is gonna be pretty, but let's double check it. Beautiful, so I'm gonna leave that just like that. I think it's really soft and really gentle and I love it.